Hello everybody. I want to discuss very briefly, again to reiterate what we talked about in class as you move into taking your SOC 131, your Intro to Sociology test. Okay, just a few things to remember, and this is just a reminder. Okay, first of all, the test review is most successfully accomplished, although you may have other ways of doing it, and you're not required to do this, by using the diagnostic questions associated with each of the student learning objectives that's there in your electronic textbook. Just click the assessment questions at the top of each of the student learning objectives and it should take you to those. Again, it's diagnostic. That means you don't get graded, you don't get credit, you don't get penalized. It's just to help you to review. I would do that in tandem with the PowerPoints. They will emphasize what you need to know. Not every last thing is covered on the test, the test is a reflection of what we've covered in class, or what we've discussed, and also what I think is important. Okay, so that's the test review. What about the test itself? The test itself goes online at 11:30 p.m. That's Friday, tomorrow, and that's Friday, February 28th. At 11:30 p.m. the test goes live. You will not see the test until then. At that point, the PowerPoints go offline. Okay? So keep that in mind. I've given you this time between now to it's Thursday afternoon and then to review. The second set of issues that we want to address as you move in your test has to do with the technical platform for taking your test. If you were in class, we looked a little bit at how to click on answers and so in Blackboard. Go to the Blackboard site for the class and open up the assignments link, and you will see SOC 131 Test-1. You know, it's called Test-1. Make sure that you open this or any Blackboard site up if you have a PC in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, that's your. Do not open it in Chrome. Do not open it in Microsoft Explorer. If you're not aware of, if you're unfamiliar with what I'm talking about, please go to the either the IT help desk or the EKU gurus before the weekend. Okay, you know, and get them it's a free, web browser. You know, just like Explorer. Do not open the Blackboard website up in Explorer. Do not open it in Google Chrome. Do not open it in Blackboard. I cannot help you to winnow out these technical aspects, but we do know that the test is best opened in Blackboard. Any Blackboard test is best opened in Mozilla Firefox. In Firefox, okay. Once you've clicked on the test, you won't see the test until 11:30 tomorrow. That would be Friday night. Okay. After that, you'll see it. You'll see a link, and it will be up through 11:30 on Tuesday night. Now, what does this mean? Okay, there are 50 multiple choice questions. You have 1 hour, 20 minutes to take the test. There is no timer set. The timer function does not work correctly on Blackboard. This means that you need to be on, if you wait till the last minute, for example, on Tuesday, you need to be online about 9:45 to take the test, p.m. That's the latest I would advise. You can't start the test like 5 minutes before the end and then expect it to carry through. It will shut down on you. So don't do that. Oh, one addendum: if you're taking a test on a Mac, Safari should work just fine, as I understand. Okay. Once you save your questions as you go along, once you're finished with the test and you're satisfied with your answers, only then click the submit button. Until then, even though you've saved a question, you can always go back and change it. So, but if and only if you are satisfied with all your answers, you are prompted to click save and submit. You will then see another prompt which will say, to see your results, please click OK. You should click OK, and it will give you it will immediately tell you what your score out of 100 points is, and tell you what you got right and what you got wrong. Okay. So hopefully everything's okay. I will not be available to respond to your emails Friday night, probably until about Sunday afternoon late. Okay, you know, it is a weekend after all, and you know, I won't be regularly answering emails this particular weekend. So if there's a real crisis, a technical emergency or something like that, and these do happen, don't panic. Just send me an email, and I'll be checking my emails late Sunday afternoon, and we'll respond to you by you know, sometime on Sunday evening, if not earlier. But please don't expect an instantaneous email response, nor panic. If you know, I'm not spending my next couple of days answering emails. Okay, so that said, please. Oh, and the PowerPoints will come down as well. I think I said that. That said, the best of luck to you. I don't think you're going to see any unpleasant surprises. And we will see you all on Tuesday. Have a great weekend.